Hi, in this video we're going to show you yet another tool you could use to format large capacity USB flash drives as FAT32. So if you need to have a flash drive for something like your car, your game system, but you want to use something larger than 32 gigs, you'll notice that you can't do it in Windows. So if we right click this flash drive, let's go to the properties first. Right now it's exFAT. So if we go to format, we don't have a FAT32 option. All right, so we've done some videos on some other tools that you could use to complete this process, and we even did a Linux video for you Linux users, even though there is no limitation in Linux. But if you were a Linux user and wanted to do a FAT32 flash drive for Windows use, you could do that as well. All right, so we're going to use a free tool, nothing to install, so you just download this tool. It's called Format USB. There's a 64-bit and a 32-bit version. So the 64-bit version is most likely the one you want to use. So we'll double click it. Say yes to the UAC prompts. You'll need to be an administrator to run it. Asks if you're sure you want to run it. All right, so pick your drive from the list here. So if you have more than one, make sure you pick the right one because it's going to be wiped. You could change the label from the default, whatever it had before. It's up to you. And from here, we'll pick large FAT32. You can see we have some other options here as well. And you could change the cluster size. So depending on the size of the drive and what you're going to do with it, 32 kilobytes is the default. You can use 64K, which might work better if you're doing like, larger files. So you might want to look that up first to see what's going to work the best in your situation. And you could also have it check for bad blocks and change the number of passes. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to do a quick format. So we'll click on Start here. OK. And if you're a Rufus user, you'll see that this kind of looks like part of the Rufus interface, and you can use Rufus as well to do the same thing. All right, so we're done here, so we'll close that out. Go back to File Explorer, check the properties, and now it says FAT32. So pretty simple to use. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download the Format USB tool, and you can check it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.